Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some cases for your Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra from Mous and Speck. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the links up in the description. Let's get right into it. Now I decided to put both of these companies in the same video because I don't got too many cases, so I want to make this quick. So let's start off with Mous. First up, we got the super thin case. Now this one right here is going to run you 40 bucks. Let's go ahead and check this one out. Now this is Mous's thinnest case yet. Okay, comes with the warranty. Comes in a few different colors. And here's how it looks. Now this is going to be for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but it's available for all of the different Galaxies. This one has a smooth matte feel on it. No fingerprints, little Mous branding. Okay, nice little soft felt material on the inside. As you can see, it is MagSafe compatible. Let's go ahead and slap this one on. And here it is. Now this is extra thin. Not going to add any extra weight. There's your cutouts, buttons, cutouts, buttons, cutouts. Let's see how easy it is to get to that S Pen. Okay, just like that. Let's check MagSafe. Matter of fact, got a little MagSafe accessory. Oh, look at that. There's your MagSafe. Okay, getting a little Snapchat notification. Let's see how strong the magnet is. Right off the table. Let's check regular wireless charge. Okay, there it is. Now this case has minimum razivity, so it's not Slamboy certified. This is just a nice thin case if you want to protect your phone without adding too much extra weight. Okay, so this is super thin. But the green and gold, that looks dope. Or green and yellow. Now we do have it for all of the different Galaxies, so let's see how it looks. Now this is for the, I believe, the Plus. Okay, same matte feel. Now you got the black color. Same soft material on the inside. Super thin. Okay, the name definitely fits it. And I do like this soft feel on the back. No fingerprints. Okay, MagSafe. There it is. Now let's see how strong that magnet is. See if we can pick it up right off the table. Okay, there it is. Do it one more time. Bang, and it's charging up. Buttons, cutouts, buttons, cutouts. Okay, super thin. Now we got one more for the super thin. Okay. Now this will be for the regular S24. Okay, just want to show you how it's going to look. There it is. Now we'll check the MagSafe. Okay, now look how strong that magnet is. This way, if you got a nice MagSafe accessory, maybe a car charger, drop it on just like that. And again, the key to this case is no extra weight. Buttons, cutouts, buttons, cutouts. No razivity. All right, so this is the Mous Super Thin. Let's keep it moving. Okay, so next up, we got the Limitless Walnut. Now this one is going to run you 70 bucks. Let's check this one out. Okay, here we go. Now this one does have MagSafe. Okay, has that beautiful walnut pattern on the back. Now one quick side note, I got this walnut case. This is the one I use on my Pixel. Unique patterns. Okay, I'm feeling that one. Let's see, I think I got another one too. This is the bamboo style. I'll show you some more different styles in a minute. But this is the walnut. So I believe this is for the S24. Okay, let's check the, on the side. If you notice, it does have these grooves. So it gives you some grip. Okay, there's the power button. Now this one does have razivity. So it is Slamboy certified. Let's check the MagSafe. Okay, charging up. Extra strong magnet. Okay, let's check regular wireless charge. There it is. And of course, buttons, cutouts, everything lines up. And if you want, you can add a little lanyard. Go crazy. Okay, so this is the Limitless Walnut. We do have another one for the big boy. Now, I think this might be my going out style case. I forgot to mention that I actually do love this super thin. I was looking at it off camera. This could be one of my daily cases also, because if your two phones, Nelson, you want a case that's kind of thin. But this right here, okay, look at this. Now this is the Walnut for the S24 Ultra. Check this one out. Now I know for sure my pops, he would like something like this. This is very classy. Let's check the button. Easy button press. This one does have a nice amount of razivity. Slamboy certified. MagSafe. Let's go ahead and slap that on. Okay, right off the table. Let's make sure it's charging. There it is. Let's check the regular wireless charge. There it is. Okay, and again, you can add a lanyard if you want. The nice grooves on the side, extra grippy. Okay, so this one right here, this is the Limitless Walnut. And again, they make these for a bunch of different phones. I got them for my iPhones and the different Galaxies also. All right, let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the Limitless Black Leather. Now this one is also going to run you $70. Okay, gotta check this one out. Okay, little struggles right there. Bang. Okay, let me do that again. Bang. The black leather. Now on a side note, I'm rocking this on my iPhone right now. Okay, here's how it looks. Beautiful case. Let's go ahead and slap this one on. If you notice on the inside, you do have that soft material, so you're not going to scratch up your phone. Okay, let's make sure we can get this in there. Nice snug fit. Look at that. Okay, look at the razivity. Slamboy certified. You got the real leather on the back. Let's do a smell test real quick. Yeah, this is that leather. Okay, hit the power button. Easy press. Let's check the MagSafe. Charging up right off the table. Okay, buttons, cutouts. Let's check regular wireless charge. There it is. And if you got MagSafe accessories, jump in your car, rock out just like this, or leave it on your table and watch your videos. Okay, so this is the Limitless Black Leather. Now I got one more mouse case I want to show y'all, and this is my favorite one. This is the Armored Fiber. Now this one's going to run you $75. Now this was the only case that I was rocking at the end of the life cycle of my S23 Ultra. This is one of my favorite cases. One quick side note, I do have it for the iPhone also, and it looks hot. Let's get and slap this on. I believe this is for the small version. Now let's see how hard it is to take these cases off. Okay, I like to take them from the bottom, pop off just like that. Slap it on. There it is. The Armored Fiber. Now keep in mind, you can get these for all your different Galaxies. I just got a random assortment. So here's how it's going to look. That beautiful Armored Fiber. There's your power button. This is one of those cases you only got to buy once. Oh, look how it looks with the UAG accessory. Carbon fiber on top of carbon fiber on top of Armored Fiber. I love it. Calm down, Floss. Calm down. Okay, power button. Maximum razivity. And it is Slamboy certified. Okay, so this is the Armored Fiber. Now, just in case you was wondering, this is how the bamboo looks. Okay, little mouse branding. All of these are MagSafe compatible. We got the pearl version. Okay. We got the speckled leather. Okay, that's how. Now, because you're going to see these on the website. I just want y'all to see how they're going to look in real life. Okay, you've seen the leather already, and you see the bamboo. Okay, so these are the mouse cases. So far, I ain't gonna front. I think I like this one, though. I think I like this one the best. I mean, it's not going to give you the most protection, but it is MagSafe, and it is super thin. Okay, so these two would be my two favorites. Actually, I love all of the mouse cases. The Walnut, when I'm wearing my mock neck, okay? When I'm wearing my suede sandals. Now, when I'm wearing corduroy socks, you'll see me rocking this. Okay, but on a daily basis, it'll be one of these two. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, so from Spec, we got a few cases. First up, we got the Presidio Grip. Now, this one is going to run you $40. Drop tested to 13 feet, wireless charge compatible, raised bezel, protect screen. Let's see, antimicrobial product protection, no slip grip. Okay, so let's check this one out. Now this is for the Plus, but they make them for all of your different Galaxies. Now this is a classic Spec style case. Has that extra grippy feel to the sides and on the back. Okay, buttons cutouts. Let's see, this is a nice color match right here. The blue and purple. Slap this one on. Okay, check this out. Now you got a nice button right there. Easy button presses. Now these are not MagSafe compatible, but they do have wireless charge compatibility. That's what I meant to say. You do have a nice amount of razivity, so it is slam boy certified. All of the cutouts line up. Okay, official tissue, classic Spec case. You've seen these 1,001 times. Now they also make it for the Ultra and for the regular S24. So we'll drop, oh, now look at this. The gray and the titanium. Now this is a nice little color combo right here. If you don't care about MagSafe, okay, slap this one on. Look at that. Now this will be a nice case to rock in the gym because it's extra grippy. Okay, you see all that grip? It just sticks in your hand. Let's check the power button. No issues at all. I do have a screen protector on here. Let's check wireless charge. Okay, there's your wireless charge. And of course, Slam Boy certified. Let's see how easy it is to get to the S Pen. You see you got a nice big cutout right there. So you hit the button, grab your pen, keep it pushing. Okay, so these are the Presidio grips. Now let's get them. Matter of fact, I'll leave this one on, right? Why not? Okay, let's see. We'll take off the Plus. Let's see how easy it is to take this off. Like I said, I always start from the bottom and just peel it right off. Now this one is actually, okay, not too hard. Giggity. All right, next up, let's take a look at the, now I'm gonna save my favorite one for last. Next up, we got the Presidio Clear. Now this one's gonna run you $40 also. Drop tested to 13 feet. Antimicrobial product production, wireless charge compatible, slim design. Okay, so this is just a nice crystal clear case that's not going to turn yellow. Okay, so as a matter of fact, speaking of yellow, we got the banana head yellow Galaxy. Okay, look at that. Now this is showcase the beautiful color of your phone. Little Spec logo at the top. Let's hit the button. Nice button press. Okay, now this is a nice daily style case. Let's see, easy access to your S Pen. Bang. There's your razivity. So it is Slam Boy certified. Let's check wireless charge. There it is. Okay, nice, simple, clean case. Now I do have one more that I want to show y'all. Okay, now this is the Presidio Lux. Now this one is going to run you $45. Drop tested to 13 feet. Okay, wireless charge compatible, raised bezel. But this one just has the glitter pattern. Now, if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all remember when I whipped this case out for my iPhone and Maya was trying to roast me? Fellas, fellas, don't let nobody tell you that you can't rock this, okay? This is not just for ladies. Fellas, you can rock this too. I'll be rocking this with pride, all right? With pride. Anyway, here's how it's gonna look. Okay, get your little glitter on, if you like to shine, why not? But if you got a girl, buy this for your girl too, why not? This is beautiful. Let's hit that power button. Amaya was trying to roast me though. All right, check this out. Here it is. Let's see. All of the cutouts line up. Let's hit that wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. Maximum razivity. Slam Boy certified. Okay, now they make these for a bunch of different phones. For the iPhone does have MagSafe. Okay, like I said, you're feeling zesty every now and then, just throw this on and keep it moving. All right, now I do want to show y'all one more thing before we get out of here. Check this out. All right, now I'm going to keep this quick. Spec actually makes wireless earbuds now. You got the Gem Tones Play for $50. That's these. And you got the Gem Tones Sports for $70. Now, I'm not even going to do a full review on these because I'm going to say, Spec, stick to making the cases. With all due respect, these ain't bad, but for $50 and for $70, you're way better off getting Soundbeats or earphones or some of these other budget earbuds that I reviewed because these just have a cheap kind of feel to them and they sound pretty bland. Okay, so I'm not even going to make it a review on these. I know somebody asked me to check these out. I just checked them out. I would pass on these. Now, as far as the cases, though, yes, I would rock with the Speck Cases all day. Let's get and wrap this up. All right, so these are some new cases from Speck and Mous. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google Plus. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.